Hi, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to register an attendant. First, you need to make sure that you are working with the right company by looking under the home text. If it's not the right company, you can just click on change company. Now on the left hand side, you're going to scroll until you see the single person icon. And you will basically have two options. One is to register a new attendant, or to click on the list of attendants to see the existing attendants there. But we're going to click on add new attendant. So now we need to enter the email address. I'm just going to write here test@gmail.com. I'm going to click check. We're going to give it a name, Joe, and we are going to give it a password. And we're going to click register. And now you can see that we have added the attendant, and we need to make sure that we are looking at the information if it's all correct. Name is correct, email, the groups that it's part of is part of a chat group, and it's part of sales. So you can click on update and say it is correct, all of us in the right area, and you're going to click save. Once that is done, to see if all of it has worked, you're going to go back to the attendees list, click on list of attendees, and you will see them added right here. You can see we've got Joe added. And that is how you would add a new attendant to your help desk. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another.